Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 3 tempo plus.
That's Val. I'm Brian.
That's us. We worked more on swing outs and gave you all of these different ways you can swing out in general, but also when you want to swing out to faster music without dying. So we did subtractive.
We did subtractive footwork. Rock, step, and go. Ha, rock, step, and go. Boom, ha, boom. Hey, ha.
Followers, we did this little variation that I often do in general, but also to faster music, where you go rock, step, boom,
Ha.
boom, da, rock,
It's
step,
the Bjord.
Bjord, as we call it. Ha, ba, do, ba, da.
Talked about how you can ramp up the intensity.
Yeah, and you really think about how even though you are stepping here, you kind of continue going that way as you are caught. Then we did 4 swing outs.
We did a little stop on 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. Where my hips are facing Val.
Yeah, and we're stepping that way together.
Swing out.
And then the whole swing out looks like this. Boom, ba.
Hey, 5, get out the way. Hey.
And I turn
Hey.
gradually on a triple step or at the very end. So you could play around with that. And that's what we did.